They don't.
You want some agua? ¿Quieres agua?
Sit down. Take. Wait.
There you go.
Hell yeah.
There you
Cold,
go.
Dude. I had one. Cold water.
Cold water.
Cold water.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Back-to-back meet, back-to-back show. I got back from the track last night at like 2 in the morning, and I had to wake up like super early to come out to the 12th annual NorCal EA vs. DA meet. And I have not missed a year, so you know what? These guys showed up to my house, called me, and I was like, gotta go. So got my car, you know, cleaned out from all the track stuff yesterday, and you know, took all the dead weight off the car, and we just mobbed it straight out here. I didn't wash it, I didn't do anything, I don't care. You know, we're out here to just meet and have fun with everybody. The lot got super full because I woke up late, and nonetheless we are here now. And I'm still tired, but I think today's gonna be a good day. I got all the friends from different cities out here. I got my buddy Alex right here as well too. We'll take a stroll through that parking lot in a minute here and show you some of the cool cars that I saw when we came in. Like never.
You just gotta cut and weld it.
Oh, the car is here. So if you guys ever wondered the fitment that's on my my wagon, this is the first car that I saw that had the reference that I was looking for. The fitment, it's fucking beautiful, dude. Do you know what your camera setting is on this? You forget? Yeah, because I remember I told you about my 225s. Yeah, I finally got them on the 949 racing wheel. Dude, they fit perfect on my car. Yeah, I was a little skeptical, but you know, when I saw yours at the Cruise to Cruise, I was like, I'm gonna do it. So this is the car that made me put those tires on my 949. Fucking lovely, dude.
Yeah, me too.
Hell yeah. The more I see of Forders, man, the more I want to get another one.
It's nice.
Yeah, man, I had one for 10 years, bro. Bro, I can look at the immaculate paint on it. Original paint? Original paint?
I think the paint is the hood and the top. Because it's cracking like you look really fine on the hood, it's cracking like a little spot.
Like line cracks. Oh, yeah, I see it right there. Nonetheless, man, beautiful car. Hey, I dig your shirt, bro. That's the homies right there from Hawaii, man. Hell yeah, I'm doing good, bro. Hell yeah, it's nice to see that shirt out here, man. Give you guys a quick look here on this H.
Dude, this looks just like my 710. Like the turn signals are all the same.
I'm tripping, man. I hear like speakers in here or some shit. Oh yeah, right there. That's sick, man. This is beautiful. Seen this numerous of times. Does not get old. When I pulled up earlier, the first thing I saw was that turbo. And I'm a turbo guy, so I was like, yo.
Yeah, turbo looks awesome.
Hell yeah.
Especially he's got a little grill on here, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, turbo guard. I need to buy that shit too because my thing's wide open right now. It's hard to get a good look at these cars when it's like super shaded because the GoPro doesn't allow me to, like, you know, really auto the ISO exposure. So I'm trying my best to get these awesome parts in these cars for you guys to see. Got this little nice what is this, B18 and B1 with the ITBs. That's all you really need, man, right there. That's a really simple setup. Simplicity is best, guys. Remember that. It's beautiful. CT engineer. Hey, look at this guy. That's my 10K. That's my 10K shirt right there. I appreciate you rocking it, bro. Chad.
Cal CRX owners, hashtag that.
Oh my god. I'm actually excited that I now have the fourth wheel to my GSR set. So that looks pretty awesome. You know, I saw this from a mile away right here.
Got that 90s fucking feel. Look at that.
Keeping that kid on the car, bro. I love it. Hell yeah. We didn't see the chopper yet. Wait, this is not the new era racing, is it? No? Yo, Rocket Proud, boys. That Wing West kit, man, you can never go wrong with it. Who's calling me? Oh, I know you guys remember this car right here. Stock B20 VTEC. Oh, he's got his interior back in. That's awesome. Stock B20 VTEC went 12.9s yesterday. Congratulations. It's nice to see this car out here today at the EF vs. DA meet. It's timeless. For me, at least, because I love EF sedans, so. Yo, check this shit out right here. This shit is sick. These Mugans are timeless. I can appreciate a stock C. Huh?
I just happened to go into YouTube, saw your video. You're the guy with that Honda.
Well, I have like 12 Hondas.
The 500 or something.
Oh yeah, the $500 budget.
My name's Lupe, man.
Dana,
right on, man.
Yeah.
I just was scoping through, and I was like, okay, looking at videos, and then right now I just go by. I was like, oh shit, that's that dude.
yeah, that's him right there. Man, who's still rocking C8s nowadays? This guy is. Oh, Victor, Chris. Y'all better be careful. It's a K-swap DA out here. Oh, it was out here last time. It's pretty cool. A couple more DAs here. I want to show you guys some of these cars before everybody starts taking off. It was a great turnout when we first pulled up, so. No, it's not me. What's going on? Dana, chilling. How you doing? Dana.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, totally, bro. Is you guys right here?
Yeah.
Just out in the cuts by yourself? How you doing? What the fuck? The hell is this? That monster truck status.
This is what else I'm right, bro.
Don't lie. If you're about that family life, bro, just admit it.
That's not me.
No, you got family in there right now. What you talking about?
Yo, where's the restroom at here, bro?
Straight ahead.
I got another picture for you, man.
No, what I need you to do is, since you got the raw file, I need you to make me a nice picture frame, and I'll pay you for it, bro.
I got you.
It's freaking lovely, these photos. I've been waiting so many years to find a solid picture to put it on my wall.
Really?
And you just came out with that one with the beefy fit man on the 949s. Hey,
I got you. Yeah.
nice to see you guys out here. I noticed that there's a little bit of a purple missing.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on, but
Kids
you know.
picking at it, so I peeled off the purple and replaced it with black.
How you doing? Hell yeah. If you guys remember her, we had a little surprise subscriber day. Yeah, man. Car's still looking saucy, bro. Just got, actually, you know, it's kind of character because the bumpers are black.
Right.
So it's not really that shabby. It's she's chilling.
Yeah.
Damn it, Brian. The damn camera didn't turn on time. And I know you watch my shit too. Slow down next time. Especially when there's a stop sign. Oh, I just realized this whole purple thing you guys got going on.
Yeah, dude.
I told him I should
Hey.
so they could be side by side.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to walk like this with them lug nuts, bro.
I mean, move
Them lug nuts are scary, bro. I ain't trying to get cut, you feel me?
They used to not stick out when they were on the
Dude, your valve stems are scary too, bro.
right.
Look at this
They got the same side.
Hey, I love the wheels, man. You guys want to check them out? Corey the Honda guy, right there. You related to Eric the car guy?
No.
Hey,
Shout out, bro.
I'm gonna let him know, man. The fam's out here, bro.
Yeah, where's your sticker?
I want huge fan of him. That's why, like,
Yo, the DB fam right here, DBG fam. Hell yeah. Hey, but look at the paint job though, you guys. Check it out. This was the original shade of gray that I wanted for my car, but somehow my shit ended up being lighter. But I still love it. Ah, look at that, chopped. What is that? Mighty Car Mods. Hell yeah, love that channel.
Where's my young static sticker? Do you have stickers?
I had stickers.
Get stickers, come on.
Stickers, man. Oh, dude.
You guys asked me for stickers?
Bro, I want stickers.
Step into my office.
Dude, I'm looking my window and slap that off right now.
I know you guys have been asking for merches and stickers, mostly for stickers, but I haven't had chances to make new stickers. Shit, he wants one too. So I'm still working on a lot of things. I got so much on my plate right now, so if you guys bear with me, I will try to have some new merches coming out soon. But I do have some leftovers, I think. Let me see. My secret stash, you feel me? Right here, my secret stash. You got the bag already? God damn. Guys, today's freaking awesome already. Love it with everybody. You know what I mean? I got the stripper money, you feel me? Look at that, stripper dollars. Boom!
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah, man. Glad I can give it to somebody who could make use of it. Oh my god, so this is the leader of the NorCal CRX owners, and he's driving fucking the CRX worst enemy. But hey, Chad, where you going? You going to Mountain Bikes? Yeah. I'll probably see you there in a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. You guys want to go Mountain Bikes? Hell yeah. That's where we're going in a minute.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.
So these guys right here are like supporters of the channel, and I truly appreciate it. I don't have as much merch anymore, but this is all that I have left. So if you guys, you know, this is on the house, guys. I don't know. You guys got one teal, one white each.
Right?
Yeah.
We're golden, and that's all I got left. And like I said, guys, I'm gonna try to make some new stickers, some new merch, some new designs, some other, some now. Oh, you guys are cute. I haven't finalized it just yet. It looks good to me. You guys love it, but I feel like I want to put more into it. So, you guys just wait on it. I'm doing this by myself, and you know it's really hard to like try to produce something when you ain't got nothing. So,
Right?
hey, I just want to show you guys this really quickly. I super missed it, but you made this?
I quilted that myself.
He quilted this himself. Yo, check out the logo. That is freaking sick, man. When you make your own stuff and it comes out amazing like this, totally something to be proud of, for sure. I mean, even if it didn't come out like this, if you guys made the attempt, be proud that you guys are trying, you know? Every effort is, you know, oh shit. Oh shit, what's going on here? It looks like, look. Follow him, Kev CRX, right there. All right, guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish walking around really quickly. I think the first gen H22 CRX is still here, so I'm gonna check that out real quick. But another 4-door, guys, gotta have mad love for these cars when I see them out here. So, hey, I need those headlights for my CRX, bro. I'm missing one. Yo, this shit is gnarly as fuck, dude. H22A4 H2B, holy shit. And then fit it into a first gen if you guys haven't already noticed. This shit right here, I bet you it rips so freaking hard. So hard it'll rip you a new asshole. But check out these sick ass bride seats that are inside the car. They're midget seats? I don't get it. What? That shit is dope. That shit is dope. Out here at Mountain Mike's Pizza, which is down the street from the marina, and we got the NorCal CRX owner guys already here before us. But it's all good. We're all homies. So let's catch some grub. Anyways, guys, we're out here at Mountain Mike's. We got the boys over there from the marina earlier. We got the fam, and then we got the NorCal CRX owner over there too. Yo, we're gonna grub real quick. I think the next event that's coming up is gonna be the NorCal CRX Owners Cruise. So hopefully my CRX is in tip-top condition so we can make the cruise again. Or maybe I'll swap the Gzer in for it.
Oh,
So.
Dana, come on, let me have it.
He wants my GSR motor, boy. Dude, the price that I got it for, guys, I don't think I can sell it. That's the problem.
I will pay for it. I told you.
Go find that
I know
EF
you
sedan.
will.
Where is it still for sale?
Yes.
Does it have the motor
That's
still in
the
there?
GSR, though. That's a B16.
B16 is a great spiritual driving motor.
It is.
Don't do it, Dan.
But I would love the
You're gonna make me
GSR.
have a heart attack.
No heart attack for Melly. Yo, all the CRX boys are gone, and the only person here left is Chad from the group with a Miata. But is it fun? No, is it fun to you?
Pretty fun.
You're cheating on your CRX. That's what you're doing. Alex is hanging out, tree whispering over there. We are done here though, but you know, because everybody's from different cities, when we jump on the freeway, we're gonna split home. So I am gonna end the video here today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of the coverage of the NorCal's 12th annual EF versus DA meet. And I sure definitely had a good time. It was a great turnout. And you know it's a great turnout when you show up and all the parking lot was taken up. So at the end of the day, we had a great time. You know, these boys are gonna be headed home. You're gonna be headed north. Ish. Frisco. And I'm down the street about 38 miles. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see some nice coverage just like this ever getting in the future on this channel, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.